Hi, Chibi.
You can't.
Chibi, what did you? Huh?
You can't open it.
What did you find?
Henry.
Wow. Show me. Show me. Show me. Show me. Show me.
It's little. I
Wow.
put orange on it.
You want to buy it?
No, you don't open it.
You don't want me to open it? Okay. So what do you want to do then? Should we buy it? Should we go to the sales? Yes? Okay. Call your daddy.
Then it could go tails. Happy?
Wow.
Clean screams.
Oh, so like
Chibi, you're so happy. And lucky.
Screams. I saw it and I was like, Jimmy, look at this.
Wow. There's loads of them.
there's the on school. And there's the other one.
Show me. There you go. Okay, let's go to the tails then. Oh, he's fine. He's fine without the bag.
Yeah, that's £4 when you're ready.
No. This is fish. That's it, Mom. Oh, it. Where?
There's Henry. Look. Henry. So GB's in Cadbury shop and GB and Henry found.
This one.
You don't want this?
I love this.
You want this one?
I'll open it.
And GB saw Henry chocolate too. Which one you want, GB?
I want that.
This one?
The present. Oh, no. Not this one. Look on.
You want to get this one?
The big one.
Mm-hmm. Yay! Big one. GB Henry's got big one.
Stop. Dude.
Hmm?
You need to put the dude and then mix it.
Mm-hmm. Are you happy? Mm-hmm. Let's go to the tails and let's go pay. Come on. GB, this side, this side, this side. We're not allowed to go outside. Come on.
Pay for it.
Where do you want to go next, GB? So GB been to Cadbury outlets. And now, where do you want to go, GB? Uh-huh. Should we go there? You want to go there? There? There's another chocolate shop. Let's go. Let's go. GB Handy loves his chocolates. Wow. Okay. Let's go the other side. Come this side, this side, this side, this side. This side, this side. Come. The smell of very yummy chocolate. Oh, bunnies.
That's cool. When we have this one,
Mm-hmm.
after this one,
Okay, come on. Come the other side. Come on.
then we took it.
Hmm.
That's cool. Hold my Henry.
Okay, you want me to hold your Henry?
Open.
Okay.
You open.
These are my favorite, GB.
Want to eat it? Open it.
Hi, GB.
Look.
So GB's back home.
Look.
And we're gonna unbox this.
Oh. Oh, Mama.
What happened?
Dora.
Let mommy help you. Wow. Wow.
And
Let's see.
I think I'll open the box and put it in the car.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Let me see. Is it squishy?
Yeah. Yeah. Squishy.
It's so cute.
It's squishy. I love my Henry. Oh, it's and then I put back. Bye. Hello, my Henry. You have got you like my Henry?
Yes, we do.
Bye. Bye! I can push it. Oh, yes.
Only GB Henry is so cute. It has a nose. It has eyes like GB.
The books, the book's broken. Book's broken. Look, stuff. GB Henry. It's still,
It says GB Henry.
yeah.
Okay.
And then I put his books. Daddy, wait. Daddy, wait.
The chocolate's gonna die.
Good. Yeah, we want. Yeah.